In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can share a PDF as a link. So here you can see it's a PDF. So the easiest way to share a PDF by Google Drive. So first we are going to upload this PDF on Google Drive and then we will share the link. So let's open the Google Drive. Now on the top left corner, go to the new, click on File Upload. Now select your PDF and then click on Open. And on the bottom right corner, you can see the PDF uploaded. Now just refresh this. And this is the PDF. Now let's open this. Just double click. Now you can share this PDF very easy. On the top right corner, just click on Share. And then go to the bottom, select the restricted and click on anyone with the link. Now copy the link and click on Done. Now you can share the link with anywhere and then anyone can view your PDF. So this is how you can share a PDF as a link. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel.